Hey guys, it's me, John here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make buttermilk fried chicken. Now this is a dish that I eat mostly every day after college. It's sort of like a comfort food to me, and that dish it's an Asian dish and it comprises of butter and milk. It's like formed into a sauce and it's mixed in with fried chicken. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make it today. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy. Alright, for the fried chicken, exact amounts in the description. I've got cornstarch, curry powder, chicken breast, and all-purpose flour, and an egg. Alright, very nice. So onto the sauce, I've got curry leaves, onions, garlic, a little bit of butter, chili, and evaporated milk. And a slice of cheese. Yeah, that's to make the sauce more rich. So onto the batter, I'm gonna season it with some salt so that the fried chicken itself won't be that bland. Then into the bowl goes some cornstarch, get that all in there, followed by some curry powder, scrape it all, get it all in there. Alright, then give it a little mix to let the powders get to know each other. Then add the egg and keep mixing until it turns into this. Then you're gonna add a little bit of water to loosen the batter because it's gonna be pretty thick. Give that a little mix and then boom, you got the batter all set. Alrighty, so the chicken breast goes in, incorporate it with the batter until it's all combined. Now we just gotta fry it. So I've got my trusty wok right here with the stove on and some oil in it. I'm gonna check whether the oil's hot by putting some batter in. If the oil is bubbling, then it's just right for the chicken to go in. I'm gonna fry the chicken in batches so it doesn't stick together. So in goes the chicken and fry it until it's golden brown and crispy. Now, a tip when frying is to always make sure that your oil is hot. So you should probably test your oil with the batter technique that I used a few seconds ago. When your chicken is done, let the chicken sit around in the oil a little bit more so that it gets a super crispy, crunchy shell on the outside while still maintaining a soft, tender feel on the inside. Like this. And then I'm gonna transfer this crispy chicken from the wok onto the plate. And I'm gonna take this time to fry up some of the curry leaves to be used as garnish on the finished product later. Okay, I'm done with that. So onto the sauce, I'm gonna melt some unsalted butter on low heat. Give that a little stir, let it turn to liquid. Make sure you don't cook it too long because the goal isn't to brown the butter, only melt it. Then slowly add the onions in and let that cook till it's translucent. Then I'll add the garlic, stir fry that until it's fragrant. Now the reason why I use unsalted butter is mainly because I can control how much seasoning to put later on, but you can use salted butter too if you want. So you just have to watch the amount of seasoning that you put in. Okay, then I'm gonna add the chopped chilies, let that cook, followed by some curry leaves to make it smell super awesome. Now let these flavors combine and then add your evaporated milk. Then letting it simmer, I'll add 1 slice of processed cheddar cheese. Now as weird as it is, processed cheese has emulsifying salts which bind with other components in the sauce and it makes it a whole lot smoother. So mix that up. Now at this stage, add some pepper, and if it's not salty enough for you, add some salt. Now I'm not gonna be adding any salt because I think the cheese makes the level of saltiness just right. So it's up to you. And now this is your sauce component of the dish done. Now that everything's done, I'm gonna take the fried chicken and I'm gonna toss it around. Whoa, hold up. Okay, this is where I made a mistake. I added the chicken in way too early. Don't do this. Let the sauce reduce a little bit more and thicken up. Then add the chicken in and the finished product will look something like this. You can tell by the finished product in the picture that it looks a lot more thick than what it was in the video. That was my mistake. That was all on me. I am so sorry. So there you go. Buttermilk chicken in all its glory. that is all for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did cooking it, because it was a learning process for me, picking up things as I go. It was really interesting. So once again, that is all for me. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Peace.